Kalfresh is a vegetable growing company based in the beautiful Philosophy Valley in southeast Queensland. Growing is our specialty. Vegetables are what we do. We don't just grow them, we pack them, we process them, we transport them, we sell them, we promote them. We're very proud of what we do and the people that we work with. Every geographical location where we live and work is full of great people, and they are the core of our business. We try and depend on each other for a better result, i.e. 1 + 1 = 3, 4, 5. And that way, should we need to grow, it doesn't take an enormous amount of effort. If we need to grow double or triple the amount of crops within a few phone calls, we've got access to the acre and we've got access to the capabilities and the people that can do it. It's about respecting the people and the farms, the people that farm the farms that supply us, as well as our own farms. The farms are the goose that lays the golden eggs. So if you don't look after the goose, you don't get the golden eggs. Everything to do with farming is always about get to the best end result with the least amount of effort and let Mother Nature do most of the work. That's the secret.